I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to restore an old version of a Canva design. And to be clear, this feature is available for Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, and Canva for Education users. It is not available for people using the free version of Canva. Step 1. Open the Canva design you want to restore to a previous version. Step 2. Click File in the top horizontal menu bar above your design. Step 3. Look for Version History in the drop-down menu and then click it. This will open a side panel on the left showing a list of all the different versions of your design saved over time. Step 4. Scroll through the list and click on the different timestamps to see a preview of what the design looked like at that specific moment. Step 5. Once you find the version you want to keep, click Restore this version. Your current canvas will immediately revert to that previous state. If you are worried about losing your current progress but still want to bring back an old version, you don't have to hit the Restore button right away. Instead of restoring, you can click to select a specific version in the history list and then select Make a Copy. This creates a brand new file in your Canva dashboard containing that old version, allowing you to keep your current draft and the old draft side by side for comparison. And again, it's important to keep in mind that version history is primarily a feature for Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, and Canva for Education users. If you are using the free version of Canva, you might find that your access to detailed version history is limited or unavailable. For free users, the best way to prevent losing work is to manually duplicate your designs by clicking File and then Make a Copy before you start making major changes to your layout. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.